In this video I will show you how to control your Rodgers organ from a jOrgan disposition. In order to do that, I have a routing program which routes the MIDI messages from your disposition to your organ to your Rodgers organ. Therefore, we need a virtual MIDI port. For example, a loop MIDI from Tobias Eriksson. And we need a jOrgan disposition. We start that example disposition which I sent you by email. After you start it for the first time, you can modify it, for example, to your own skin. The next thing we need to do is the connector. We need to connect the jOrgan disposition with the router to Rodgers. So we set the output to jOrgan out to jOrgan to Rodgers. And for example, you can choose another virtual port, loop MIDI port, but in this case I made this example. Then the input we leave jOrgan null. This means there is nothing to happen with the input. The input comes from the stops. When we changed this output, everything is okay. We can save it and we can leave the construct organ mode. You even can go to full screen, that's not necessary. Next, we need to install the program. You have downloaded this file, jOrgan to Rodgers zip. That file you can extract all. For example, you can place it in C, and the program will add the folder, the name of the program. When that is done, we can run this program for the first time. This program does not know which MIDI ports are needed, so the first thing is we choose the input from jOrgan. That is the same port as we choose out in jOrgan. Here is an important note. You see 4 after this port. This is added by this convert program, and it's the number of the port, but it's the same as the port ending with Rodgers in jOrgan. It's only, you can see it here, numbered from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the numbers of the port. Next, we choose the output, MIDI output to the Rodgers organ. Then we're done, and after that we need to restart the program in order to apply the changes. And then you see at the second line the actual setting. Now you're ready to go. In order to you can go to your disposition, go in full screen. To show you something how it works. I have added an instance of MediaOX. So I press here and stop. Then I go to MediaOX, and there you see (44 bytes) system exclusive sysx. There are 44 bytes. So this is working. And you are ready to go. Good luck.